guys, I have a turtle toy. Let's get right to it. This is a turtle toy. If you press this button, this two button, it will do like this. And it will swim in water. It also can walk. Let me show you. Wait. Okay. It is a turtle, guys. Bye.